If you hold Shiba Inu, you're going to want to hear about this new Shiba Inu meme coin that has 100x potential. They have a very cool game that has launched recently and people have been raving about it, seeing some quite fantastic things. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Kumar Khan. Today, we're taking a deep dive on this Shiba Inu themed token. Not actual Shiba Inu today. We're talking about Shiba Shootout, saddle up for the legends of Shiba Shootout, where the West Spirit meets the crypto frontier. This token, guys, is going crazy, and in 2 days and 7 hours to having their next price hike. They've raised over $600,000, guys, and this project is not one you're gonna want to miss out on, especially if you're already a holder of Shiba Inu, guys. You already know the Shiba Inu has been going quite crazy lately, and hopefully we're gonna see some bullish action in the price of Shiba Inu to cause a reversal. But in the meantime, here's a 100x opportunity you're not gonna want to miss out on, and that is Shiba Shootout. The reason I want to talk about this project today is we were talking about earlier this week, and we saw a lot of people raving about it and very happy, and us here on the 99B team are really bullish for this project, so we want to come out here and cover this project in some more detail. We see meet the characters. It's very Western style. We see a martial Shiba sharps shooters. We see explore the town of Shiba Gulch, witness the great crypto showdown unveiled, and then the cactus staking that's currently paying 1600% in rewards. That's absolutely insane. They have utility ideas, campfire stories, token governance, lucky lasso lotteries, and the cactus staking. They have a 3-phase plan, guys, to take over the crypto market. And today we want to highlight this Shiba Sharp Shooter, their very own mobile game, and it looks like it's only available on the Google Play Store, but maybe it's coming to ISO very soon. You see your Shiba versus Shiba. There's a high score. We can see that's the first frame, second frame. They in some different environments, around 7 out of 9, difficult 80%. Find place your finger over the chamber, so you know it's a shootout style, obviously touchscreen on your mobile device type game. We also see choose your perks, there's perks and stuff, whatnot, and so far it's been pretty popular. People look like they're enjoying the game, which is pretty cool. And if you're on Google Play Store, you could actually download this right now. Now, more about this project, guys. They have over 3,000 members over on Telegram, so the community is growing very fast. Join the Wild West crypto frontier and the legendary Shiba Shootout, set up for high staking battles, creativity, and cowboy charm. And now they add this game to add even more utility. Over on X, they have 1,200 followers, and you can see cheers to their $600,000 milestone. 600,000 in the next hour. Is it possible? Let's see. They've raised more than $500,000. Absolutely insane. And just growing their community, engaging over on X. It's not just another meme coin. Experience the Wild West adventure with Shiba Shootout, a unique themes, engaging events, and a clear roadmap. Because again, what they want to do is similar to what we saw with Shiba Inu when it just launched. They want to have a very community-centric type community and crypto, and that's exactly what this project went on to build, and that's exactly what's playing out. Overall crypto market, guys, we are still in the red today. We're down 0.6%. In terms of fear and greed index, we are at a 40, so it's kind of recovering. Bitcoin a little bit in the green right now. Ethereum back in the green as well. $57,000 Bitcoin, $3,100 Ethereum. So slowly but surely making a recovery. Even with Shiba Inu, guys, we're taking a look on the 1 week, and we're up a whopping 16%, making some gains for the losses we had on the month. On the month, we are still down 22%, but that recovery is slowly being made, making up for all the gains. Makes up for a great time to load up some Shiba Inu if you haven't already. And again, if you are a Shiba Inu holder, you're gonna want to grab a bag of Shiba Shootout, as it's been pretty solid. You see clear tokenomics laid out, the gallery, the artwork, everything about this project is amazing. We got the Shiba Inu theme, this community, they got this game, they have staking, 1600%. Where are you going to earn that kind of money? Not everywhere, and only in these crazy crypto markets. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And now, Shiba community, let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish or bearish for Shiba Shootout? Are you loading a bag? I want to see it in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's Friend Umar. Peace.